I'm Jim Dunlap. I work with Alliance RV. I'm the plant manager of the Countertop CNC division. We manufacture countertops and interior routed parts for Alliance RVs. We're producing parts for half the line right now and countertops for a few of the coaches. Equipment I buy mostly is tooling. A lot of the tool holders, tool bits, one of their plywood bits, the Legend bit, one of my favorite. We've used their services on our machines many times. Always reliable, for sure. So, speed of cut and cleanliness of the edges when it cuts. It cuts right through plywood, doesn't leave burrs, minimal cleanup, quick turnaround times, especially after cleaning and redoing the table. We don't have to spend a lot of time cleaning up parts, and we can stack them, get them shipped out. Turnaround, I should say, cut to cut time is what it is. It speeds up, so. Had to do a lot of sanding on edges. We had some bits with success, but there's still, we call them fibers or hairs, and edges were rough. You'd have to sand them, and you know, a lot of time handling the parts just takes too much time out of the day just to deburr a part. So the proper tool makes a big difference. Partnership, definitely communication. I really am glad to have dialogue with Scarlett. I can call anybody, ask any questions, and I get an answer or response same day. And it's very helpful. Price is always a factor, but the quality of the product, the longevity, it makes up for the price point. We always have good tool life, I should say, or product life out of most of our tools. Well, Scarlett, so far, from the beginning, I'm in this position it's been about a year and 3 months now. Since the first day I took over, Scarlett was one of the first people I ever contacted, and they've been there and helped me and answered any of my questions from day one. Mike Roy, Paul, Jordan himself, I've never had any problems, any issues. If I needed something done or taken care of or service done, especially with their service team, they've been right there. Most of the time it's same day service, if not it's the next day. And in our industry, which is fast-paced, being the RVs, we really need that reliability. And it's really nice to know that Scarlett will produce or be there for us when we need them. Yeah, I'm just grateful to have Scarlett as an ally, and we really appreciate their partnership. So.